So I'll start by giving you a quick overview about what's in the file and how the file is laid out. The first thing you'll notice is that it's separated into 3 assemblies here. The first of which, if I hide the other 2, the first of which is just the design file supplied by Pocket NC. So all the parts in here are things that have been designed by Pocket NC, and I've just put them in my design file. So that's that. I'll hide that. The dovetail setup is everything you need to carry out dovetail machining work. So you'll see you've got the DM12, you've got the base plate itself, and then these things labeled reference, such as screws and dowel pins and so on. I've actually, behind the Pocket NC machine, I've actually removed the threads from most of the screws, which should mean it's a bit easier on your graphics card and your computer. The dovetail base is included and already modeled, so you don't need to edit this. It's been based on the 5th axis DM12 spec sheet, so you don't need to change that, and I'll show you later on how you can just take this base and edit it for whatever you're trying to do. So I'll hide that. The final assembly is the fixture plate assembly, so this is everything you need to use the fixture plate. And like with the dovetail setup, you can expand it and you can see the different components. So I'll take the locator assembly here and open it up, and you'll see that it's got the soft jaws attached. It's got the screws on the front if you want to see those, and you can just turn things on and off as you need them. The final thing you'll see is that I've included the full design history, not the design of the actual components, but just the history of me adding the components to this file and then creating joints and so on to attach them to the machine and position them in place. It's also got the sketches for the dovetail base, so the 2 sketches that I used to create the dovetail base. So if you want to edit those and make any small changes, you can do. The reason for that is really that I figure not everyone wants a CAD file set up the same as everyone else, so you can do any tweaks and changes that